How to remove a chat from chat lock in WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, let's learn how you can remove a chat from chat lock. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp app and get logged into your WhatsApp account number. At the top page, you will see locked chats option. Tap open it, enter your lock screen or your fingerprint, and that will display all of the contacts that you have added to your locked chats. Now, in order to unlock that chat, simply tap onto the name, then untoggle the option of chat lock. Again, confirm your face or fingerprint and go back to your WhatsApp homepage. As you do so, you will be able to see the persons in the front page without chat lock. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.